Stoned Chakra.
Bitches.
Next up on Stoned Chakra Reacts Live. Yeah, I do that sometimes. We got a request coming from Katerina. This is for Bluebird by, fuck, what was his name? Shit. Richard Fairlie. I don't know. Richard F.
And when I fall apart, and when my head is in pieces, you pull me out the dark. Always you and me, in my dynamite. Hey!
What is happening?
I felt the pain from your sadness. It's like I really need your embrace. I'm like a moth to a flame, but when my feelings with you, I'm no longer confused. I'm teary-eyed, but with you they start to dry. It's only you, you're my everything. You get me through so comfortably. You got a good heart, more than enough. You see through my scars. And when I fall apart, and when my head is in pieces, you pull me out the dark. Always you and me, dynamite, my guiding star. And when my eyes lose direction, pull me out the dark. Always you and me, dynamite. You say it's okay to fail, and I'm here.
How did he get permission? That seems like a big task. This dude is not... What the... How? It says the publisher's fucking Sony. Who the fuck is this dude? And how does he just get to take the entire song of Bluebird and just repurpose? Oh my God.
Here when you fall, all that matters is that you even got a pull. You said I know that you'll fly, my bluebird in the sky. You'll hit a high, then suddenly doubts will die. It's only you, you're my everything. You get me through so comfortably. You got a good heart, more than enough. You see through my scars. And when I fall apart, and when my head is in pieces, you pull me out the dark. Always you and me, in the dynamite. You and me, in the dynamite. You and me, in the dynamite.
Who is this guy? Referring to his music as emotionally aware hip hop. Draws inspiration from Kanye, Anderson .Paak, James Blake, and Billie Eilish. What? Who is this man?
I made an English version of the best anime opening theme ever made.
And when I fall.
That's that.
If you like Cigarettes by Juice WRLD or any of these artists, then you're gonna love this.
You light me up, every time I see you, girl, I know, I ain't ever leaving Korea, ain't no better feeling.
Alright. I am less angry now. I'm less angry. I was very I was just very angry for most of that song that I wasn't even able to enjoy it. But now I'm less angry. Cause I was like, well, is this all it takes? Is this all it takes? Just fucking steal or get permission for a song that's already great and then just do it? Is that all it takes? But then I saw some original content that was actually good, and I was like, all right, I feel better about it now. Because if he wasn't able to create something good on his own, and he was only able to just recreate something that was already amazing, I would have been disappointed, to say the least. But he is definitely somebody that knows what they're doing. So now I feel better about the cover in general. At first I was just like, is he straight up just stealing this shit? That was my first inclination. I was like, he's just fucking stealing this shit and doing a not as good version. That was, again, that's my instant thought. But he's doing something completely different. He's, people making it their own. So he's doing something different, and he does have a dope voice. But I think I just have too many strong memories attached to that song that anything different I instantly rejected. I was just like, no, what the fuck is this? This is not no. I was going through a roller coaster of emotion while that song was playing. But don't take what I was going through as any indication of the quality of the song. If you liked it, feel free to check out more from Richard, because from what I could tell from that other short YouTube post was that he's got some dope content, probably some dope songs out there. So feel free to check them out. Check me out, Stoned Chakra, baby. Stop playing. Stop playing games. Like, subscribe, all the things. Do them. Breaking down the doubt, stepping over motherfuckers telling me I better wait my time. Step back, talk that shit, nigga. Show these motherfuckers where you walk this earth. Walk it like I talk it, so I got a bag of green leaves in my pocket, and I got some Ben and Franklins in my wallet. Put some crumble in the puff, go watch me go cosmic, shit. I'm a motivator and a generator, and I got some haters and some fans. Yeah, I know that they're the same thing. Never regulated, now I delegated, hella medicated. Chuck a stone when I'm bringing on the mainframe. Run and tell your friends, this is how it all begins. From a spot to a dream to a goal to the scene, and ain't no need to pretend. Like y'all in a beast in these motherfuckers streets talk shit, and a living nigga 6 feet deep. My bad, I get like that without weed. Matter of fact, let's roll a blunt and go cheese.